Hello everyone, here is CryptoToti, the latest crypto guru. If you want to learn how to lose money in crypto, here is the best place to be. I'm not a financial advisor, I don't contact no one, no Telegram, no X, I just do it as a hobby. So let's start with Bitcoin. As we see, we have a big falling of the price. So between 15 January and around 7 of February, we have a falling of 38%. So this means 33% is X3. So all the longs which was added here is in the hope the price will come back, got liquidated. And let's see what happened. So from here until here, 35%. Okay, so all the longs 35%. Now the point has reached here. The people say, okay, it will go low. It will go low, it's going a bit up. So we have 20%. This 20%, 5 or 2, 10. So X10 shorts was liquidated. Of course, this 10% up, 10% down is also 10% is X10 and 5% is X20. So they use this up and down to go for the. Okay, so after that, you see here a comeback of the price. Let's see how much has come back. So we can, 4 hours, we can see a little bit more. So from the minimum of 60,000, we go from here until here. So 20%. So this 20% has been X10 short. Now we go again, almost 10. And now we go again. Here, 8. So here we cannot, we don't know, maybe we'll go more down or it will go a little bit until here and it will go up. Let's see how much up can do. So from here until here, 11%. Okay, so if we take a little bit to the last, no, we ignore the spikes, 10%, here 72. So 72, 74, we can have the price come back to 70, 74. Okay, let's see on the, if it's going down, what mean going down? So we have 10% 63, 20% 58. Let's make a little bit smaller this to see much better. So from here, 10% 63, 20% 56, 33% 47. So here 48. Let's make a line of 48. Exists something with and make it a little bit on daily. Exist this point. So this point is a little bit below this point. So here the liquidity from here can be taken. If you let's do some Fibonacci. For example, if we take this point until this point, here 1618 is around 53. If we take this from here, 113. So and if we go from here to here, 53. So here X2 got liquidated. So it's looking like the price is going up and down more in direction of the X, future X. So there is no other logic until now. So depends on how many longs and shorts are on the market, which we have some sites to go which show this, but I don't believe they are true. Exists this combination in up or down via futures. So let's make a scenario. I can tell you we can have a little bit here, and after that we can go like that, or we can go directly like that. Okay, yeah, and after that we'll see. Can we see more? Wait, let's look. If we take a Fibonacci from this point to this point, so we are here on the logarithmic, daily logarithm. So theoretic, if the price is falling down and it's come back to 0.236 and this is closing above 0.236, we have good chance to see this 0.718. And if everything is wonderful, we have chance to see this, yeah, which is below all-time high, which can also be a good, depends how many short and long are on the market. So it looks like everything is matching with the Fibonacci, everything is matching with a percentage depending of the future, but in the same time it's very difficult to see in which direction it will go up and down. So if you want to lose money, we can go you can say we go up or down. It's impossible to discover this situation. So this is Bitcoin. Let's go on Ethereum. On Ethereum, what say on the we have like that, and how now we have like that. So we have the price is not falling, but this is falling. So that means this should be so the price is not falling, but RSI is falling. So we have a hidden bullish divergence. So this hidden bullish divergence in the price, it will come back. But it depends how many, let's see, on future, because here also they play with the futures. Let's say, let's take this point. Until here, 43%. Yeah, and from here until here, 30%, what is 30 on peak, 33. And after that, let's go get again here. So again around 20. And from here, again around 20. So it's looking like this 20, 20, 20, 20. And this middle, it just maybe some people make a decision, take decision, 47. So this is also very good, almost 50%. So what we can say, what Fibonacci say, if we take this from here until here, he reached 1618 and reach 2, and now it's come back. This let's go back to this logarithmic, because I don't like how this Fibonacci is working, and from take to here until here. So something doesn't like with is not working well with this Fibonacci. But anyway, let's try the second one. 2618. And if we go to this big point from here, 1400, and if you take Fibonacci, we are exactly in 0786, and he come back. So if it is going below 0786, it will go in these directions. Yeah, this direction, I think this is too much, but in this direction is very good. If not, it will come back to on this area. So we see a very long consolidation on this Ethereum. Okay, so we see like a long consolidation. So until we don't get rid of this consolidation, which is since many years, yeah, 300 bars, that means many years. So from 2021, we cannot see this value from above. We can go in the direction here. It's going like that. Maybe here is a little bit up, but it's looking like down. And here is going like that. So we can see it pull back, another one, and maybe another up. The RSI anyway on weekly is very low. So we need to have a pullback, yeah, and after that maybe another low. Let's see. So the Ethereum is as it is. Solana has gone very nice. Let's see, let's take um, like that. So is 1.23. If we go out from the logarithm, 113. So it's looking very good. Solana. We should have an pullback of the Solana. I don't know how much, but let's suppose we have here the price is going like that. Here is like that. Here is like that, and here is from this point is like that. So pretty sure we have a so-called hidden bullish. And if we take this point until here, theoretically we should come back in this area 0.786. So here around 200 euro. And if the time are good, maybe we'll go. The issue is like that. If the price from here is reaching before 49 and the price is already here and exists a lot of space for RSI, maybe we can see some up. But if the price is already by 156 and the RSI is already here up, yeah, clar we need to have again a pull down after the pull up. So this can take some years. So by using this, we can see a very good price here. Yeah. Let's see how much it will go in the next period. We need to see this guy, S&P 500 is very up. Gold also very up. I don't have any silver. So here if I have a pullback like that, yeah, we'll see. Let's go a little bit on the last minutes to delete this, and let's see. So how much we see here? 28%. How much we see here? 22%. Here we are logarithmic. You can see it in logarithmic. So in the big crisis, how much? Here we have 48, and here we have more than 50. Oh, 57. So this is very, very nice. So what happened if we say we see 50? How much we will see 50? So we come back to the point of before COVID. So yeah, I will not be surprised to see in this area. So like this period from here, we deleted by correction, but this correction is not very nice. How much it will go down a bit as Bitcoin if the S&P will go 50%. So 50% is a real crisis. We'll see. Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance doesn't want to fall. So if it doesn't want to fall, again, no, and the rest, yeah, the price is very low. So we have on the weekly very low RSI. So theoretically, when we have on weekly on the month very weak RSI, very low, yeah. You see here we have the lowest 55, and here it was around 40. So now we have 43. So if we see the RSI under 40, the most probable the RSI will be lower than this point. We can have a good price to come. Let's see on Ethereum. Still RSI is here. So yeah, Bitcoin still can go here. This is 37. So if you reach 35, we see a very clear and a direction like that, and one like that. So here is CryptoToti. You will hear us next week. Thank you.